Let's solve this question together. It says 4 raised to the power x is equal to 80. You're required to solve for x. Okay. Now, first thing to do is that we can express 4 to be equal to 2 times 2. Okay. Since 4 is equal to 2 times 2, 2 times 2 is 2 to the power 2. And we have 80 to be equal to 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 5. Okay. So this is 2 times 2, 4, 4 times 2, 8, 8 times 2, 16, 16 times 5 is 80. Okay. Now 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 is 2 to the power 4. And then we have times 5 to be 80. Okay. Now moving on, we can replace 4 to be 2 squared. Okay. Or raised to the power of x to be equal to 80 to be 2 to the power 4 times 5. Alright. Now moving on from here, we can say when you have a raised to the power m or raised to the power of n, it is equal to a raised to the power m times n. Hence 2 to the power 2 or raised to the power x will be equal to 2 to the power 2 times x, which is 2x. And this is equal to 2 raised to the power 4 times 5. Okay. Now, at this point, we can decide to take the logarithm of both sides. So we say logarithm of 2 to the power 2x is equal to logarithm of 2 raised to the power 4 times 5. Now this is the logarithm to the base 10 of both sides. But then to make our work easier, we're going to take the logarithm to the number carrying the variable. Okay, to the base of the number carrying the variable, and the number carrying the variable is 2. So take the logarithm to the base 2 of both sides. So that we have logarithm of 2 raised to the power 2x in base 2 is equal to logarithm of 2 raised to the power 4 times 5 in base 2. Okay. Now from this point, we can say that when you have logarithm of a to the power b, it's equal to b log a. Okay, so from here we would have 2x log 2 base 2, okay, to be equal to, okay, when you have multiplication, you replace it with plus. Okay, so we have logarithm in base 2 of 2 to the power 4 plus logarithm in base 2 of 5. Alright. So moving on from here, we can now say when you have logarithm of a number to its own base is 1, so you have 1 times 2x to be 2x to be equal to 4 multiply this log, so we have 4 times logarithm of 2 base 2, which is 1. Okay, so 4 times 1 is 4 plus logarithm of 5 base 2. Hence our x here becomes equal to 4 divided by 2 plus logarithm of 5 base 2 divided by 2. Hence our x here becomes equal to 2 plus 1 over 2 times logarithm of 5 base 2. So this becomes the answer to this question.